Have you noticed that there's an oddball in the periodic table? Hydrogen 1, or as scientists call it, protium, the only neutron-free rebel in the universe. Why and what does that tell us? Let's break it down. Think of an atom's nucleus like a tight-knit team. Protons are positive. They repel each other. Put too many in a room and it's instant chaos. That's where neutrons come in. They're neutral. They act like the mediators, holding things together with the strong nuclear force. Without neutrons, bigger atoms just wouldn't work. Too much repulsion, too little bonding. So yeah, neutrons matter. A lot. But in the tiniest atom, maybe not. Hydrogen has only one proton. There's no other proton to fight with. No nuclear drama, no team meeting, just peace. It's simple, it's stable. It's the bare minimum required to be an atom. But sometimes, nature tolerates imbalance because that's where transformation happens. That's why isotopes exist. All hydrogen, but each with a different nuclear story. Protium is chilling in 99.98% of all hydrogen in the universe. Meet its weird siblings. Deuterium, one proton, one neutron, stable, rare, shows up in heavy water used in nuclear reactors. Tritium, one proton, two neutrons, unstable, radioactive, powers fusion experiments, and some very scary weapons. Atoms aren't one size fits all. Add more neutrons, the mass increases, the behavior shifts, the stability wobbles. So, there's a sweet spot, a perfect proton-to-neutron ratio. Miss it, and you've got a ticking nuclear clock. In the bizarre world of subatomic physics, protons and neutrons aren't fixed roles. They can transform into each other, like shape-shifting twins. A neutron can decay into a proton, an electron, and an antineutrino. This is called beta-minus decay. It's how many radioactive isotopes slowly change over time. A proton can become a neutron too. Yes, in the heart of matter, identity is fluid, and that's where the universe evolves. Hydrogen is the original atom carrying the oldest truth, the first element born after the Big Bang. When the universe was minutes old, it cooled enough to allow protons and electrons to finally combine. Neutrons were rare. Protons were everywhere. So most hydrogen came into being as protium. Just one proton, one electron. This tiny neutron-free atom was the seed from which stars formed, which then created all heavier elements, including the carbon in your brain and the iron in your blood. From emptiness to everything, thanks to the lightest, loneliest atom. Protium doesn't have a neutron, but it has a story about the birth of the universe, the rules of matter, and the beauty of being small but essential. See you next time.